March 2025, I notified parties that my attention had been drawn to a petition filed before the Judicial Service Commission for my removal over several allegations, including bias in the handling of this matter, alongside other related matters that were still pending before this court. I recall that on the said date, I called upon the parties, their advocates, to consult and decide if they still had confidence in the court, in this court proceeding with the matter. The court then listed the case for mention on 10th of March to enable Mr. Mokua file a replying affidavit, I think. And the ink had not dried on the orders of 3rd of March 2025, when on 5th March 2025, this court learned that this matter had been the subject of a discussion in the local vernacular FM radio station, where a local politician discussed the matter at length and sent out coded messages laced with veiled threats and derogatory statements directed at this court. When the matter came up for mention on 10th March 2025, counsel for both sides indicated that they had no objection to the matter proceeding before this court, after which directions were issued for the filing of submissions to the application dated 19th February 2025. The matter was then listed for mention today to confirm compliance. And on 20th March 2025, a mobilized group of protesters comprising mainly of persons believed to be workers of the Nyamira County Assembly appeared at the court premises, chanting inflammatory and defamatory slogans directed at this court, thereby disrupting court sessions, causing tension, confusion, and security breach. It is with the above background that this court finds that it's no longer tenable to continue handling this matter. Consequently, I hereby recuse myself from hearing this matter alongside another related case, being Nyamira High Court JR number E007 of 2024, involving County Assembly of Nyamira versus Enoch Okero Ogori. I hereby forward the two matters to the principal judge of the High Court, Mr. Justice Eric Ogola, for his directions and reallocation to another court for hearing and determination. For this purpose, the matter will be mentioned before the principal judge on 2nd of April 2025.